not that bad. You know, you're going to be able to see him, and he's pretty well the way he was
Yeah.
2 months ago. But he's
Yeah.
just not eating. So Irene's just thinking, since he's not eating, he's going to have kidney failure, and then he's going to die.
Yeah.
But in the meanwhile, they're just, deal with it.
Yeah.
So,
Wow.
so what have you been up to all day?
Oh my gosh, I've been on the go. Let's see, Madison with her swimming lessons from 10 to 11. Then I had to go down and pick up my prescription for the hepatitis B vaccine.
Yeah.
And I got all the way down to the drugstore in Ajax to pick it up, and I friggin' couldn't find my wallet.
What the hell?
I was freaking the bean. I ended up, reached under my seat, whatever. I couldn't feel anything. Came home here,